Hi, I am Sanjay Kothari and you are watching Value Plus Cafe, a platform which consult you on a real estate buying. Today we have come up with a video which give you an insight on new launch at Hebbal to Bellary as a stretch. If you are considering a township development for yourself at Hebbal to Bellary stretch, having a connectivity of metro, airport and main road connected project, then this video is meant for you. When we talk about real estate, it's all about location, location and location. And Puravankara new project, Puravankara Aerocity, is all about the location. It's located on the bang on NH44 Hebbal to Bellary stretch and hardly 15 to 20 minutes drive away from the airport, just 2 kilometers away from the metro station. Not only that, the project offer you a township experience. Projects like Brigade Gateway, Prestige Santiniketan, a project which has given you a really great capital appreciation. I would say multi-fold capital appreciation, a great amount of rental yield. Then this property is meant for you. Purva Aerocity offers you retail spaces, residence and tech space at the same premises. And if you see the actual videos we have posted, the tech space is already under construction. Means the timing you get a handover of your residential property, already tech spaces will be operational. So getting a rental or resale will be easier and faster for you. But tentative pricing in this location vary anywhere between 14,000 and above. Now you may feel prices are on a higher side, but let me tell you why on this location, because land cost is really expensive. And Tier 1 developers like Prestige, Shobha, Brigade, Godrej, Puravankara, if they are constructing any of the residential property, they hire the best of the contractor, architects, designers, landscaper. So there is a cost involved to it. Obviously, the cost of acquisition for any good reputed brand will be at least 1,500 rupees more expensive compared to a brands which is a Tier 2 developer in the same location. Now, before we jump into a conclusion, now let's understand what happening in entire Hebbal to Bellary as a stretch, so that we have understanding why developers are quoting these prices. Let's deep down why someone should consider this locality, and we have a lot more questions. So let me answer one by one each of your questions. When it comes to traffic and traffic congestion in Hebbal flyover, government has taken certain initiative. Let me tell you the first one. BDA has proposed 2 dedicated lanes to ease out the traffic congestion what you see in Hebbal coming from the KRPuram to the Hebbal. These 2 dedicated lines are ready. You will see a traffic congestion less by another 15%. Not only that, there is a construction of 18-kilometer tunnel from Bangalore South to the Bangalore North, and which has a completion time of approximately by December 2025. Let's understand it's completed by 27 even. Then also you'll have better connectivity toward the south part of the Bangalore by the road. If you are looking at metro connectivity in this location, then good news for you. You can see our video, actual footage of metro construction. Government is keeping a timeline of December 2026 for the completion of metro. You'll have great connectivity toward the outer ring road and rest of the part of the Bangalore. Considering all the 3 points where you have construction of KRPuram to Hebbal to dedicated lane, and the tunnel construction from Silkboard to the Hebbal, and metro connectivity will ease out at least of 15 to 20% of traffic what you see as on today. Yes, it's a long-term process for sure. It's going to take at least over 2 to 3 years down the line for you. When we talk about the tech park spaces, Whitefield or Electronic City or Outer Ring Road used to dominate in IT tech parks. But now the things are changing. When we are talking about the north part of the Bangalore, we always used to discuss only Manyata tech space. But now what happening in this locality, you have 15 new tech park spaces are coming from Nagwara to Hebbal Bellary stretch of yours. If I include all the new tech parks in this locality apart from Hebbal Bellary, I would say if you include Devnahalli, KIDB or Yashwantpur, you have at least of 25 to 30 new tech parks are coming in this locality. Few of them is already operational. Tech spaces are looking for better infrastructure. And considering the fact what you see as on today, you have airport connectivity, you have a metro connectivity, road connectivity. North part of the Bangalore will develop really well. Let me name the few of the tech parks which are coming on this location, which will give you a little bit of understanding. And few of the tech parks in this location is already been completed. A lot of companies are moving in this location. Companies like a Philip Innovation Center, they are moving on this location. Amazon is completely relocating from World Trade Center to Yelahanka. And where exactly they are coming in Satwa Horizon. A lot of tech spaces are coming because of the good infrastructure what going to be there in the coming future. You have a proper wide roads, service roads, flyovers, metro connectivity. So by air you want to go, by metro you want to go, or by road, you have all the connectivity at this location. Now let me guide you on the few of the tech parks. Like Bagmani Saira Business District is coming at Yelahanka at 10.5 acre of land space. Purankara Aerocity Business Park is coming, which is 7 acre right now, and you will see the expansion happening in the coming future. Century Business Park, Karle Town Center, Prestige Tech Cloud is there. Embassy Manyata Park expansion is going to happen. L&T Tech Park going to be fully operational. Prestige Century Landmark in Hebbal, Satwa Horizon. Northgate Phase 2 is coming. Northgate Phase 1 where we have 5 million square feet of a space by Infosys. Phoenix Asia Towers are coming. These are the few tech park spaces name what I am able to recall. You have another 15-20 tech parks nearby, near to the Jaswantpur, KIDB, Devnahalli, or nearby the areas. So the land cost is really expensive. Any property which offering you main road connectivity, metro connectivity, obviously it's going to come with a cost for sure. Hebbal Ballari Road is shaping up as a post locality which is dominated by my IT product based companies, and that's the sole reason if you see all the high-rise development in this locality. Cost of acquisition for any of the properties which I'm gonna name to you is nothing lesser than 3.5 CR onward for the size of 2000 square feet and more. And this location give you a premium feeling because of all the high-rise development, no unplanned development next to you, correct? Let me tell you few of the properties which are already there in this locality so that you get little bit understanding why pricing is 14,000 onward in this location. Properties like Embassy Lake Terraces, SNN Claremont, Godrej Platinum, Karle Zenith, Brigade Caladium, Century Ethos, and L&T Raintree Boulevard. All these properties, if you see that, are the main road properties, and cost of acquisition today is nothing lesser than 14,000 onward. So we need to understand if you are looking a product on the main road of Hebbal and Ballari as a stretch, the cost of acquisition is higher for the developer. And when you are going with the good brands, obviously brand do take care, quality of construction, offer you great product for sure, and that comes with a cost. Now coming to the conclusion, should I buy this property? It's totally depend on your goals and objective and your financials. But if you ask me, I would say you should consider this property in your list for sure. Reason is just not about the product, it's the location. This location, if you see, is dominated by all high-rise development, and the entire stretch here, Hebbal to Bellary, is developing in very planned way. If you are considering a good social infrastructure in and around of the project, then this project offer you. I would say you can definitely consider this project, but if you have still lot more doubts and you're contemplating this project with other projects, do get in touch with us. We'll able to guide you better. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and if you have any suggestion, please write down in the comments. Thank you.